This 2017 Heartland Oakmont 385 QB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Draper, Utah, 84020 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 59 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.